This is going to be a quick video on the review of the Dewalt Cordless Planer DCP 580. Now, the only reason why I'm doing this, because there's a million videos out there, we've switched to the helical head, okay? CSP Tooling on Instagram, quick shipping. The difference switching over to the helical head is unmatched. It's so quiet, it's such a clean cut. We have a couple plinth blocks that we're doing in a house, and we hit them on the joiner and planer in the shop and left them a little big just so we could do a couple on-site adjustments when we got here. But really, this is just going to show how powerful, how quiet, and how clean of a cut this thing can produce. So just set it to whatever depth you want. So in this case, we're just shy of a 32nd, and just go in. So there's the lip. So this side's done. Smooth, like really, really smooth. Hard to beat. That is ridiculous. This looks like a 300 finish on sanding. It's insane. Obviously, you're still going to hit it a little bit just to take down any high points or any rivets. Like, it doesn't matter that it took a little bit of a chunk here because this is the back. We just got to get to that line. But so clean, so efficient. Just do the other side. Okay, almost identical. Just a little bit of a ridge right here in the middle. For those that don't know, the reason why it's so efficient is because it's on a spiral. So less points of contact are touching the wood. So it's more of an efficient cut and the motor works less. That's why it's a spiral, and that's why it's helical head. You take these out, switch them around. They got numbers on them. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corners. So you can just switch those out and you always remember which one needs to be switched or which one's at the end of its life, because you can only spin it 4 times. But like, it's phenomenal. The way they've designed it, see how you got 4 and then you got 3, 4 again, and back to 3. Like, I've had this planer for a long time from Dewalt. It's been great, but the head on the last one, it was good enough out of the box, but after you start changing the blades ever so often, you start to realize how annoying it is. The cut doesn't become nice, and it really just gets you kind of out of a jam more than anything. But now, with it being this flat, and just the ease of use is extraordinary. The motor, there's less stress on the motor. So easy to switch out the bits. Anyways, if you're gonna do it, just like if you're gonna do it for any machine, you wanna put a helical blade on as often as you can. I can't even express how quiet, how the change in decibels from the full 3-blade head to the helical is ridiculous. You don't even need hearing protection with this. Even on our thickness planer, Dewalt thickness planer, put the helical head on. It's remarkable. Anyways, that's all. It's been a great tool, especially switching this out. Check them out, CSP Tool. Great shipping, great product. It's been pretty good. That's it.